Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now, unlock your iPhone and make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data is on. Open Gcash and sign in with MPIN or Face ID. This ensures you can access sensitive controls. Once logged in, tap Menu, then Settings, then Linked Accounts or Payment Methods. This is where recurring authorizations live. Make sure you know which card or bank you used. You'll need to identify the exact entry to stop future charges. Don't skip verifying your identity. It prevents accidental changes to the wrong account. Once you've selected the linked card or bank, inspect the options for auto debit, auto pay, or merchant authorizations. You'll toggle off the auto debit switch to stop future scheduled charges. This cancels permission at the app level. If toggling isn't offered, tap Remove Card or Revoke Authorization to delete credentials. Make sure you confirm any prompts, otherwise the change won't save. After removing or disabling, log out and back in to verify the method no longer appears under active payment. To finish, review your payment history and subscription list to confirm the auto payment is gone. If you still see charges after disabling, first restart the app and check again. Sometimes settings need a refresh. If the charge persists, use the in-app help center to chat with Gcash support and provide transaction details. If support can't stop it, contact your bank to block future merchant debits or issue a stop payment. Banks can enforce blocks at the account level when app revocation fails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.